When purchasing a spray booth, price, installation, safety, and efficiency all play a role in the final selection.
Collision Services
has the smartest booth around. It gave me real quality, but at a price I could afford. Installation was easier than I thought. On booth and installation, I figure I saved thousands of dollars.
In today's market, saving money is on everyone's mind. Finding an affordable booth that requires a professional to install can quickly push the once inexpensive booth out of one's price range. Fortunately,
Collision Services
paint booths can be constructed with ease. All of the booths are constructed by nuts and bolts, ensuring easy installation. Unlike others, we don't cut corners on cheap designs that require clamping and zip screws. Booths constructed with zip screws are much more difficult to assemble and should be avoided. Our nut and bolt construction allows for easy disassembly and reassembly should your booth ever need to be relocated, something unheard of with a cheap zip screw assembled booth. Digitally designed
Collision Services
paint booths have pre-punched holes created by machine punches. This ensures that all bolt holes align perfectly for a quick, easy, and correct assembly. CNC plasma cut panels allow for a clean fit finish. Furthermore, the gabled roof design allows for better airflow. This means the booth contains no air pockets, which can adversely affect the paint job. Should a panel be damaged, replacement panels are available with exact dimensions. This helps to ensure a long-lasting, durable spray booth. Assembling an
Collision Services
spray booth is quick and easy. 2 people can assemble a booth in as little as 2 to 3 days. This saves both time and money on costly contractor fees.
I've installed hundreds of booths over the past 15 years. These booths are comparable in quality to booths costing 2 to 3 times more. And installation is a breeze with the nut and bolt assembly. You don't have to spend $30,000 or $40,000 for a quality booth anymore, or struggle with the zip screws used on cheaper booths.
The booth in this video was assembled in 2.5 days by non-professional installers.
Collision Services
Realizes that the sooner you receive a spray booth, the sooner you can begin to make money. Whereas other booth companies can take up to 4 months to ship a booth out, our most popular models are ready to ship within 24 hours of ordering. Not only are all of the components of the booth made in the USA, but all of the electrical items are UL approved. Furthermore,
Collision Services
spray booths meet NFPA 33 and OSHA 1910 guidelines. We encourage you to research your local codes, as
Collision Services
is not responsible for permits that may be required. There is also the option of powder coating your spray booth. This will not only help to create a more professional looking spray booth, but will also increase the lighting by up to 50%. All of the booths include the first set of intake and exhaust filters. The tools needed to install a
Collision Services
spray booth can be found in your shop. These tools include a pry bar, claw hammer, screwdriver, assorted wrenches, with pneumatic tools being the fastest, and an electric drill with a 3/8 inch bit. A drift pin, also known as a rolling pry bar, will be needed as well. Two by 4 studs or another suitable support method will be used for supporting all of the walls and gables during installation. Finally, 2 8 to 10 foot ladders will be needed. As the old saying goes, time is money. So if you want to speed up the job, consider renting a drywall lift from your local tool rental store. It is an inexpensive way to save a lot of time installing your spray booth. Not sure what type of spray booth is right for you?
Collision Services
offers a wide selection of spray booths to assure that you find the ideal spray booth. While several standard models of spray booths are made readily available,
Collision Services
also offers the option of customizing the spray booth to your specifications. We can custom manufacture just about any design of booth to fit your specific needs. The cross-flow booth is a
Collision Services
classic. The cross-flow booth not only makes efficient use of shop space, but it is also the most popular and economical booth
Collision Services
has to offer. The cross-flow design intakes fresh air through filters in the product's doors. The clean filtered air is then drawn through the booth and exhausted through a filter system at the opposite end. The semi-downdraft booth is one of
Collision Services
most popular models. The design of the semi-downdraft booth allows for an easy installation of a heated air makeup system. While a heated air makeup system may not be needed upon purchase of a spray booth, many booth owners like to have the option of adding one at a later date. The downward intake airflow pulls dust and contaminants down and away from the vehicle you are working on. The double filtered intake filters allow for excellent filtration. The semi-downdraft booth intakes fresh air from the cleaner upper levels of the shop through a filter bank. The filter bank is located in the booth ceiling near the product's doors. The filtered air is then drawn down through the booth to an exhaust filter at the opposite end.
Collision services.
It offers the very popular side downdraft spray booth. This booth intakes fresh air from the cleaner upper levels of the shop through a filter bank in the booth ceiling. The filtered air is then drawn down and away from the vehicle through exhaust filters at the floor level along both sides. What draws customers to the side downdraft booth is that all of this can be done without an expensive downdraft exhaust pit. Furthermore,
Collision services.
it offers the option of purchasing the booth as a pressurized unit. This allows the booth to be equipped with an air replacement unit and cure cycle to meet your requirements at a future date. The booth is also available in both drive-through and solid back designs. Not only does the side downdraft booth help to create a more healthy work environment, but by pulling all contaminants away from the vehicle, the booth provides superior finishes. The pit downdraft spray booth intakes fresh air from the cleaner upper levels of the shop through a filtered intake plenum in the booth ceiling. Air exhausts through a grate-covered, filtered floor pit located at the center of the booth. An optional basement is available, allowing for true downdraft airflow without having to dig a pit in your floor.
Collision services.
It offers a reverse flow spray booth as well. This spray booth creates a reverse airflow of the cross draft. Air is drawn through filters mounted in the back wall and is exhausted through two exhaust plenums mounted on both sides of the front doors. One of the great benefits of the reverse flow booth is that the chance of contamination is greatly reduced by reversing the airflow so that the air intake is not coming through the front door. The InfraCure booth is virtually the same booth as the semi-downdraft booth. The InfraCure, however, is modified with horizontal side panels. These panels have a total of 10 infrared curing lamps mounted in them. Time is money, and with these lamps, the curing time is greatly decreased. A painted car can be cured in just 40 minutes. The deluxe truck booths are available in 34 or 44-foot lengths. The height is 16 feet, which provides a perfect painting environment for trucks and buses. These booths are an efficient cross-flow design. Many people in the market for a paint booth are not looking to paint cars, but parts.
Collision services.
The open front spray booths are perfect for painting parts. The open front booth is also available in bench sanding, priming, and spot repair painting. Not only do they save on space, but they are also easy to install and maintain. Finally,
Collision services.
paint mixing rooms are affordable, easy to construct, and are built to code to meet environmental regulations. Look no further than
Collision services.
to meet all of your paint mixing needs. Accessories such as electrical and chimney kits are available for all of our booths. Many of our booths have an ETL listed version. What exactly is an ETL version paint booth? ETL Semco is an independent testing laboratory. An electrical, mechanical, or electromechanical product bearing a North American ETL listed mark signifies that it was tested and meets the minimum requirements of prescribed product safety standards. Furthermore, the mark indicates that the manufacturer's production site conforms to a range of compliance measures and is subject to periodic follow-up inspections to verify continued conformance.
Collision services.
Realizes that no spray booth is complete without excellent lighting. Our spray booths are brightly illuminated by 4-tube fluorescent light fixtures. While many booth manufacturers cut costs by using standard household light fixtures, ours are specifically designed for paint booth use. It is also important to note that all of our fixtures are UL listed and approved for their intended use and placement. The light tubes are not furnished with the fixtures. Because a spray booth is a sizable investment, it is important to choose a booth that is going to last for years. Fortunately, all of our spray booths are extremely durable, made from 18-gauge galvanized steel to prevent rusting. Furthermore, all product and personnel access doors are pre-hung in heavy-gauge galvanized steel frames for easy installation. Once again, easy installation means you save more money. More importantly, it means that should you move to a new location, your spray booth can easily be disassembled and reassembled in a short period of time. Bricks and latches are provided for each door opening. The control panel and other electrical components may be purchased separately. The heated air makeup is a very popular option you may want to consider. This system is available on the semi-downdraft and side downdraft booths. The powerful heater has 1 million BTUs and is available as a natural gas or propane. The heated air makeup heats the booth during painting and raises the temperature during the optional curing cycle. By reducing airflow during the curing cycle, this system allows for efficient curing, saving you both time and money. Our heaters are not only inexpensive to install and efficient, but are also extremely reliable. You will save both time and money over conventional heaters because there are no heat exchangers, flues, or reflectors to clean and maintain. We encourage you to have all installations and startups of heaters done by a trained or licensed installer. The Kidde dry chemical fire suppression system is a perfect weapon against dangerous accidents. This system is available on our most popular models. Kidde systems are designed to sense fires quickly, sound alarms to warn personnel in the area, and discharge dry chemical on the source of the fire. The price includes standard installation by a licensed installer. It is important to check your local codes as usage is not allowed in all areas. While
Collision services.
does not offer financing directly, we can recommend and put you in contact with several financing companies that specialize in equipment leasing. There are many benefits that come with leasing your booth instead of an outright purchase. Unlike leasing a car, you own the booth at the end of the lease. A down payment is not necessary with many of the available lease options. 100% financing makes leasing well suited to any budget. A lease line of credit provides a new source of liquidity and keeps your bank credit lines available. Your lease payments are usually 100% tax deductible as a business expense. The cost of leasing on an after-tax basis can be lower than owning. It also enables you to maintain your cash position and increase your liquidity. By providing a large selection of booths along with prep stations, mixing rooms, pre-packaged electrical and chimney kits, heated air makeup and fire suppression systems, ETL listed models, and much more, be assured that
Collision services.
has what you are looking for. Our experienced booth specialists can help you select the right model for your shop.